बेसिक इंग्लिश वर्ड्स जो आपको पता होने चाहिए सो दैट यू कैन स्पीक इंग्लिश ईजिली एंड फ्लुएंटली. I have also added some sentences as example of how to use these words in English. Number 1. Be. Will you be my friend? Will you be my friend? And. You and I will always be friends. You and I will always be friends. Of. Today is the 2nd of December. Today is the 2nd of December. I saw a bear today. I saw a bear today. In. She is in her room. She is in her room. To. Let's go to the park. To. Let's go to the park. Have. I have a few questions. I have a few questions. To. I like her too. I like her too. It. It is sunny outside. It is sunny outside. I am teaching you English. I am teaching you English. That. That door is open. That door is open. For. This video is for English learners. This video is for English learners. You. You are really nice. You are really nice. He is my brother. He is my brother. With. I want to go with you. I want to go with you. On. I watch movies on my iPad. I watch movies on my iPad. Do. What will you do now? What will you do now? Say. Can I say something? Can I say something? This is my favorite cookie. This is my favorite cookie. They are here. They are here. At. Can you pick me up at the mall? Can you pick me up at the mall? But. I am sorry, but she is away. I am sorry, but she is away. We are going to watch a movie. We are going to watch a movie. His. This is his box. This is his box. From. This card came from my cousin. This card came from my cousin. Thank you. Please subscribe my channel.